Welcome to Reimagine AI Artistry Prompts by PhotographyBB. So when you're on the PhotographyBB website, if you are logged in, which you can see I am right here, you'll see this menu in red showing up called My AI Prompts. And if you're not logged in and you don't see that, you can go to the AI Artistry Prompts page right here to check out all the different AI artistry prompts that we have. And if you already have purchased one, you can click right here to log in, or you can log in normally through the login button that's up there. I'm already logged in, so we'll go on to the menu. My AI Prompts shows us the ones that we currently own. So these are the AI artistry prompts that I currently own, and let's just jump in and try one out so I can show you how to use them. So we'll start with this one, Abstract Expressionism. Just click on the prompt itself, and you'll be brought to our brand new Prompt Builder page. So you'll see some sample images here that you can go through. And if you scroll down, you'll be down here at the Prompt Builder. So we have some options to customize our prompt. And if we click that, that will toggle open and you'll see some different options right here. I'm going to leave the default options as they are, but you can see that you can select from a number of different options here. And I'm going to add some drip runs for the paint as well. You can also add some charcoal gesture, but for now I won't. So it says your prompt is ready. All you have to do, it shows you here what options you've added. If I add charcoal, you'll see that shows up here. All you have to do now is click copy prompt. And then we'll go over to either ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot. It really doesn't matter which one you use. They all offer free options and they all work very well. So let's go to ChatGPT. I'm going to click the little plus button here to add my photo that I want to use this prompt on. So I will add, let's go with this canal scene right here. Click open. And then all I'm going to do is click in the chat window here and Command or Control V to paste the prompt that I copied and just send that prompt off. And there we have our Abstract Expressionist painting from ChatGPT. Very, very cool indeed. I hope you have a lot of fun playing with these. You can see there's a lot of options to customize here and have so much fun creating with your photographs. Thank you for choosing Reimagine AI Artistry Prompts by PhotographyBB. Happy prompting.